Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Just a reminder, at the end of this video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So if you're selling or giving away your iPhone to someone else, you will need to factory reset your iPhone. So let me show you how to do this. So first, before resetting the iPhone, you need to remove your iCloud account from it. So to do this, first go into Settings. Now tap on your iCloud account here at the top. And now once that loads up, scroll down and tap on Sign Out here at the bottom. Now enter in your iCloud account. Tap on Turn Off here at the top right. Okay, once your iCloud account gets signed out, now scroll down and go into General. Then scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now here you want to tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Now this will basically erase and bring the iPhone to factory settings. So go ahead and press Continue. Enter the passcode for this iPhone. And then tap on Erase iPhone to confirm it one more time. And there you go, the iPhone will now perform a factory reset and will erase all the data from the iPhone. Once that is complete, you can go ahead and sell or give the iPhone away to someone else. And that is how to factory reset your iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.